so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing something fresh and different. Yeah, something a bit on the dramatic side. I'm going to be creating the look using some inspiration from this flower. But before then, let me tell you about this flower. I actually stole this flower. You know when you're passing and then you see beautiful flowers and you're like, oh my god, what can I do with these flowers? Yeah, so it's been a long time I've been planning it. So finally I stole the flowers and yeah. Let's just get right into it, guys. So first of all, I'm going to be drawing an outline for the petals of the flower. This is basically the outline of the petals. Then the inner part over here is going to be this area right here. So this is a rough sketch for the flower. So I'll begin doing makeup on this other part of my face.
I'm on top of the game, so I got no law. You love about me, you love about me, so we shine like you diamond. Now they wanna buy us, and me, they don't even try to price us. Run, 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 say we come, we battalion, battalion. If you wanna know, you gonna know. If you don't wanna know, you gonna know. Me, I just a few myself now. If you wanna know, you gonna know. If you don't wanna know, you gonna know. Come here, I show you how it is now.
Okay, I'm just going to be using the same dark brown here. This is usually the shade I would use for my contour. I'm going to be using it in this whole area.
Who am I? A hotter guy. Could you hotter hype, but I float like a butterfly.
To create a bit of dimension, I'm just going to be making some strokes with this pencil.
See now then the talk say I too savvy. When I go up in the main thing they call it. They call me Alaji Chuku, and my blood is the Chuku. You don't make by me, I gotta look you. You the chappy for the chafuku. If you want know, you gonna know. And if you know one know, you gonna know. It's a natural something, yeah. Party me, a for Jesse. We the kings.
Time for lashes. I'm just gonna be applying lashes on this eye only. I'll be using the Pond's Lasting Oil Control to prime my face. I'm going to be priming every part of my face except for this area right here. Guys, I'm going to be creating some depth on this area right here using this pencil. Take that same brown that I used before to still blend it in. I just want here to look darker. So now I'll be using the ZKL Even True Foundation in the shade Old 30 Bronze.
I'm beating and I'm back. Go sorrow, that's a fact. So why you people con dey form saga see, eh? You know my face and you know your place. Cause we know be mates. But I love Koshi. One fair, move, I fair. If you want let one baby. I want like us today, one side, one my tete. I want to what? I want to saying this and that about we.
Now that I'm done with foundation, I'm just going to be taking this my LA Girl in Fawn that I used earlier to prime my eyes, to highlight my face, and I'm just going to be highlighting just this area right here and my chin. So I'm going to be going into the Zikel HD powder palette. I'll be setting my highlight using this shade right here. So now that I've set the highlight, I'm going to go back to the flower now. It's time to actually paint my flower yellow. So right now I'm just going to be going into my Beauty Treats correction palette and taking this shade right here to apply, to fill in the flower marks and basically act as a base for what I'm going to be doing next.
If you wanna know, you gonna know. If you don't wanna know, you gonna know. Come make I show you how it is now.
So guys, right now I'm going to be taking this bright yellow shade here. I'll be taking this bright yellow shade here to fill up the areas where I already drew the flower.
Who am I? A hotter guy. Could hotter hype, but I float like a butterfly. See, I never had a problem making all of these pesos. Karma got me chilling and letting the haters pay do. Money get your ballet. I be you know, I be your ballet. See now, then the talk say I too savvy. When I go up in the main thing, they call it. They call me Alaji Chuku. In my blood, the Chuku. You don't make by me, I gotta look you. You the chappy for the chafuku. If you want to know, you gonna know.
I'm going to be outlining with this brown pencil again because while filling it with the yellow, some of the yellow eyeshadow went out of the outline, so I'll just be doing it, outlining it once more, but very lightly with lighter strokes this time around. So at this point, I'm just going to be taking my brown pencil once more to just roughen this edge so it looks more natural. Now that that is done, I need to create some specks of this yellow that are like pointing upwards from the middle of the flower, these ones here. So I'm using this yellow poster color for that process. Now I'm going to be using my black liner to create some specks too. I'll be going in with this dark eyeshadow to darken my eyelid so I can be a little bit more intense. So now I'm just going to be taking that yellow to just draw specks inwards like this from the petals for it to look more natural. I'm using the yellow poster color for this part. I'll move on back to the rest of my face, and you remember that this was the only place that I set with powder, so I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with powder, which is my shade. I'm going back into my Zikel powder palette and taking this shade of powder for the rest of my face.
I'm on top of the game, so I got no love. You love about me, you love about me, so we shine like you diamond. Now they wanna buy us, and me, they don't even try to price us. Run, say we come, we battalion. If you wanna know, you gonna know. If you don't wanna know, you gonna know.
So now I'm just going to be going back into the same classic makeup face definer to contour my cheekbones. Just a very subtle contour. I'll be going into my ZKL Cosmetics blush palette and I'll be taking the shade right here for my blush. I'll be using this for my highlights. So for my lipstick, I'm going to be using a combination of these two colors to give me like a dark burgundy, autumn-like colors. First of all, I'll use this darker one outside, and this is Outer Space from Classic Makeup. And now I'll be going in with NARS lipstick in the shade Chihuahua, this one right here. So guys, I'm just going to be taking red to just brighten the inner corner, the inner part of my lips, and this is the NARS lipstick in Turkish. So guys, this is the finished look. At this point, I don't know if I should do some setting spray or not. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do setting spray on this side of my face.
Oh, so fabulous.